Hey there, YouTubers. We're back again. Elijah's Auto Repair. We're doing an oil change today on a 2019 Honda Accord. This one's got the turbo engine, and we'll show you how to get that done. As you can see, we already got the car up on the lift. It's got a drain bolt right here. So let me get this camera adjusted so you guys can see. Okay. So it's got a drain bolt here. You're gonna want to break that loose. Okay. Alright, got that draining. Okay. Now we got a cover over here. It's got three screws on it. We're gonna have to take that out to access the oil filter. And it's just a flathead screwdriver. You just spin them half a turn and they'll come right out. Okay. And now we can access the oil filter. And for the oil filter, I have this special tool that opens, and you could put it on there, open it up, and it loosens it while you tighten it down. Really nice oil filter tool. So we're gonna go ahead and just break it loose a little bit. I'm gonna pull this back that way we don't make a mess over here when we take this filter loose. Okay, we'll let that drain for a second. We're gonna go ahead and get the new filter. We're gonna get some of this oil that's dripping off the old filter, and we're gonna put some oil on this seal here. This is very important when you do an oil change, because if you don't do this, what happens is the filter gets stuck on there. It'll never come off if you don't put a little bit of oil on that seal. So to save you a lot of problems and hassle in the future, if you have an oil filter that don't want to come off, it means somebody didn't oil that seal before they put it on. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off now. Okay. I'll let that drain for a little while before we install the new one. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this pan off a little bit, and we'll go ahead and install the new filter. And when you install a new filter, you always want to just hand snug it. You don't want to crank it down, you don't want to force it, you don't want to tighten it too tight. Okay, now and go ahead and install the drain bolt. We got it all drained out. And same thing with the drain bolt. You don't want to over tighten it. You just want to give it a good snug, because if you over tighten that, you'll strip it out. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. go ahead and reinstall the plate that covers the filter. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and let the vehicle down. We'll let the vehicle down and we'll go ahead and put the oil in the top and we should be done. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and right here is where you put the oil. It's got this oil cap here. Okay. All right. And there you go. That's how you do an oil change on a 2019 Honda Accord. And this one has the it's the turbo motor, the 1.5. So stay tuned to Elijah's Auto Repair. My next video is going to be on how to change the transmission oil. Thank you very much and subscribe to my channel.